Want to decorate for Halloween but skip the scary stuff? Halloween doesn't have to be scary to be fun. With the right cute Halloween decorations, you can transform your space into a charming and whimsical setup filled with smiling pumpkins, playful ghosts, and cheerful colors. From DIY crafts to cute indoor and outdoor ideas, these decorations add cozy, family-friendly fun to the spooky season. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, where creativity meets celebration. In today's video, we'll explore cute Halloween decoration ideas for every space, indoors, outdoors, and even fun DIY projects that are perfect for both adults and kids. What makes Halloween decor cute instead of scary? Cute Halloween decorations focus on bright colors, smiling faces, and fun characters like ghosts, pumpkins, and bats. Think less horror, more happy hauntings. These styles are great for families and cozy spaces. What are some easy DIY cute Halloween decorations? For cute Halloween decorations DIY, try painting pumpkins with pastel colors, making mini ghost garlands, or creating glittery spider webs. These are low cost and perfect for adding personality to your home. If you love fun, affordable decor, make sure to like this video and share it with your Halloween-loving friends. How can adults decorate for a cute Halloween vibe? Cute Halloween decorations for adults can still look stylish. Think minimalist ghost candles, pumpkin centerpieces, or black and white striped decor with pops of orange or pink. It's cute, but elevated. What are some cute indoor Halloween decoration ideas? For cute indoor Halloween decorations, try pastel pumpkins, bat wall decals, fairy lights, and friendly ghost pillows. These touches make living rooms and bedrooms feel festive but cozy. Which space do you decorate most for Halloween? Living room, bedroom, or kitchen? Tell us in the comments below. How can I make cute outdoor Halloween decorations? Cute outdoor Halloween decorations include inflatable ghosts, smiling jack-o'-lantern lanterns, and pumpkin pathway lights. Add soft-colored string lights to make your yard glow with friendly Halloween charm. What are the best ideas for cute Halloween yard decorations? For cute Halloween yard decorations, use cheerful scarecrows, cartoon-style ghosts, or pumpkins with silly faces. Mixing bright colors and simple DIYs gives your yard a welcoming feel. For more adorable decorating ideas, check out the playlist in the description. It's packed with creative inspiration for every space. How can I decorate pumpkins to look cute? Cute pumpkin decorations include painting instead of carving. Try polka dots, stripes, pastel shades, or even draw smiling faces. Add bows, glitter, or stickers for extra personality. What are cute Halloween decoration ideas for kids? Cute Halloween decorations for kids can include handprint ghosts, paper bats, and candy-filled jars. Keep materials safe and activities simple so kids can help with the crafting fun. Love DIYs you can do as a family? Make sure to subscribe for weekly creative and kid-friendly decorating ideas. How do I make cute ghost decorations? For cute ghost Halloween decorations, use white fabric or tissues to create floating mini ghosts. Draw happy faces with markers and hang them from ceilings, plants, or porches for a playful vibe. What's a great cheap DIY Halloween decoration idea? For cheap DIY Halloween decorations, repurpose jars, cardboard, or paper to make pumpkins, spiders, or witch hats. It's creative, inexpensive, and eco-friendly. Want more budget-friendly DIY ideas? Check out the related videos in the description for easy Halloween crafts. How can I decorate a small space cutely for Halloween? Use small decor pieces like mini pumpkins, tiny ghost lights, and Halloween mugs. These cute indoor decorations bring festive energy to apartments, dorms, or cozy rooms. What's a cute way to decorate your door or porch? For a cheerful entryway, try a cute ghost wreath, pastel pumpkins, and colorful doormats. Add fun signage like "Beautiful Home" or "Trick or Treat Yourself." How can I use colors creatively for cute Halloween decorating? Swap the traditional black and orange for pastels like lavender, mint green, and peach. These colors instantly turn spooky into sweet for cute Halloween decorating ideas. What are some cute and cozy lighting ideas? Fairy lights, LED pumpkins, and soft orange candles create a warm glow. They make your indoor Halloween decorations feel magical and inviting instead of eerie. If you're enjoying these cute Halloween ideas, don't forget to hit like and share. It helps us bring you more festive inspiration. Why are cute Halloween decorations so popular? Because they bring fun and comfort to the spooky season. Whether it's DIY crafts, cute pumpkin decor, or friendly ghost designs, these decorations let everyone, kids and adults, celebrate Halloween joyfully. Halloween doesn't have to be dark or scary. It can be full of charm and creativity. From cute Halloween decorations, DIY projects, to adorable yard and indoor setups, these ideas are fun, affordable, and family-friendly. Whether you love pastel pumpkins, smiling ghosts, or colorful lights, let this Halloween reflect your playful side. If you love these cute Halloween decoration ideas, give this video a like and share it with friends who love cheerful Halloween vibes. What's your favorite? Ghosts, pumpkins, or pastel decor? Tell us in the comments. For more DIY and indoor Halloween decorating ideas, check out the playlist in the description. Subscribe now for weekly creative, cute, and seasonal decorating ideas. See the description for related videos on cute Halloween crafts, DIY projects, and yard decor.